Okay, good morning guys. Today I'm gonna cook imitation crab stick stir fry. Okay, so these are all the ingredients. You need salt, black pepper, soy sauce, oyster sauce, fresh Mickey, and then the crab stick, imitation crab stick. I blanched already the broccoli, and then carrots, bell pepper, onions, garlic, and then the butter. I'm gonna add the butter. Then we're gonna saute the garlic. Onions. And then the bell pepper also. Okay, we're gonna cover first for maybe 1 minute or 2 minutes just to cook the carrot, but not super cooked. Okay guys, the carrot is cooked, so but it's still crunchy, it's not overcooked. So next we're gonna add the main ingredients, the crab stick. Okay, put the fresh Mickey because it's not good if you put so much, because kinahangan more on the crab stick. Okay, so next gonna add black pepper, the oyster sauce, we're gonna add the broccoli, and then we're gonna simmer first for 2 minutes like that, and I did 4 minutes. It's done. Okay, so I'm gonna add a little black pepper still. Okay, and then that one, the rest of the bell pepper for garnish. And then look at that one guys. Oh, it's super yummy already guys. Oh, okay, so this is our crab meat stir fry. Oh, look at that one, the crab meat. Oh, there's a lot of crab meat. Okay, okay guys. Oh, the crab meat stir fry. Okay, it's done. So I try to taste. It's yummy guys. Okay, it's super yummy. I'm gonna off the light, the heat na. Okay, that's our crab meat stir fry. Imitation crab meat stir fry. Okay, so this is it. The crab meat. Oh, some of it's loosened. Okay, so imitation crab meat stir fry. Okay guys, if you need more recipes, please hit like, follow, share, subscribe to my YouTube channel, D.Bru.Ja, to my Instagram, D_Bru_Ja, and to my TikTok at D.Coking Show, and to my Facebook page, D.Coking Show. Please follow and subscribe on my Facebook page, Instagram, TikTok, personal vlog. And to my personal vlog, Delia Valentine. To all my supporters and non-supporters, thank you for watching.